The stage view has a wizard. This is a tool that can help you arrange fixtures on your stage view. Here I have set up a stage view, I have selected some fixtures, and I've pressed the Setup key at the top to access the controls on the bottom of screen 2. To access the wizard, press the wizard key. In here you have 3 tabs. Move, which works a lot like the align function we used earlier to put fixtures in lines. Circle function, and the matrix 2D function that allows you to create a grid of lights. We shall start with the move function. The first box in here is called value. This defines the distance between the first fixture and the last fixture when we offset them. I'm going to set this to 2 meters. The second box is the align value. This defines which align mode we are going to use. The first option means we will align to the first fixture. The second option means we align to the last fixture. The third option means we align around the center fixture. And the last option means you align to the 2 end fixtures, the first and the last. I am going to select the second option, aligning to the last fixture. The next option is the axis. This will control which direction the fixtures will move in. X for left and right, Y for forwards and backwards, or Z for height up and down. We can also rotate the fixtures in X, Y or Z axis as well. I'm going to select the Y axis for forwards and backwards. The last option, relative, defines whether the new position will be relative to the old positions or will ignore the old positions and start from scratch. I am going to leave this set to no, so the fixtures go to new positions and ignore their old positions. Then we have the option to press apply, see our changes, and change the settings and apply again until the fixtures are in the correct positions. Apply and close will close the window so you can easily see what you've done. You can see here the last fixture has not moved. The first fixture on the left hand side has moved 2 meters back in the Y direction. All the other fixtures are spread out evenly in between.